Hey, what's up? This is Wholelottapedro. Shout out to Harlem, New York. My man Idris, the General. He purchased both of these males right here. It's my last two off this litter, and I was just wanting to give him a good view. Also, you guys that's watching, so y'all can see what we produce over here. I've been to the dentist here lately, so I'm on a little medication and I'm a little under the weather, so excuse me. But it's all about business, man. We can't let toothaches hold us back. First, we're gonna get a look at this boy here. Boy camo. Cold out here too. Really cold. I believe he's my best male out the entire litter, man. I don't know if the camera person's getting it. He has tight toes. He's not easty-westy. His back, top line, everything is good. His rear, his tail. He's a little shaky because it's cold out here. This is my sweet boy right here, camo. Love him to death, man. He's getting some good quality dogs, man. Love his chest. They just need a little training when they get where they're going. That's that boy camo. Looking good on there. You can get his back, shoulders on him. Nice, man. He's real nice. Like I said, he's getting some very good quality dogs. Keep it up. Here we have next. He once was my keeper. In my eyes, he still is a keeper. Like I said, he's sold. Basil. Kind of going downhill, so. Basil here, ladies and gentlemen. He's kind of nervous sitting on this table. You can tell in his ears and his eyes, he's a little nervous. So that's Basil, y'all. Beautiful, gray tri, blue tri, whatever y'all want to call it. But he's tri all day. He has some brown on his rear. His toes is very tight. No easty-westy. Clean boy. He's gonna be a really nice boy, man. Once again, shout out to Idris, the General, out in Harlem, New York. Basil. Went with the cell phone upload. Like I said, I don't feel too hot. So, you know, be camcording like I was, but the video's coming back soon, y'all. He's getting his ears done at the end of this week, so I'm gonna upload another upload once his ears is done. He has gold inside of his ears. He has a beautiful gold, just like his, you know, his pattern. His neck is thick, nice thick neck. That's something I look forward to. Shoulders, y'all already see it, his back. While you right here, I'm gonna try to get both of them side by side. Here's the length difference in these two, or above. Basil's just a little bit longer. This boy Camo is it's a nice compact boy. Get Camo's back while he's sitting down right now. Yeah, he's a nice compact boy. But like I said, this is a Wholelottapedro. About to get these males ready to eat. I just wanted to make this video real quick. Keep you guys posted, man. Y'all take care. I'm over and I'm out.